This short documentary is made on an activity carried out by Group 1 of the Freshwater Ecology course. To conduct an activity we walk on foot from the Faculty of Biological Sciences Quaid-i-Azam University Islamabad. It's about 1.5 kilometers from our department and the location name is Rumli stream. In this activity we will study the flora, fauna and microorganisms living in Rumli stream. To select the site for study we kept 3 parameters in mind. 1. Flora rich. 2. Fauna rich. 3. Microorganisms rich. Before starting of our work we had to select the center of our site which will be more rich in terms of diversity, and from where we had access to all other parts included in the selected site. While observing the life at first we started collection of the plants from the bank towards the stream, and then from inside of the water too. Here we go through all these plants in their natural environment. And here you can see the preserved form of those plants. We also collected some of the algae samples in falcon tubes, each one different from others, and identified under microscope, which you can see here. We took different samples of water microorganisms which were unknown to us and studied under microscope, in which some of these you can see here. While studying physical features of the Rumli stream we found out water pH of running as well as of stagnant water. Their pH vary according to their flow, which you can see here in these pics. We also measured the depth of the water in different region of the stream, and then calculated their average. We watched some birds there around Rumli stream. By interviewing different individuals told us that before there were too much fishes in this stream, but now they are diminishing day by day as anthropogenic activity increases. They also told us that in summer the stream water level get high, which you can see here, this erosion caused by the flood. The eroded bank is also rich in terms of lichens, and many other small plants got habitat in these crevices. You can see these huge crevices, which means in rainy season the water flow is too fast and high, and the result of which this bank got eroded. Due to erosion the structure of the bank changes every season, and you can see here the stone shapes are in too much variation. In one aspect it causes harm to many plants and animals living in these crevices, but in other hand it may produce more better habitat for them in next season. Because of the eroded banks the diversity on the bank is different than in the stream. The lichens, which is association of fungi and algae, also can be found here formed on the stream bank stones. At last of this documentary we want to give a message to all that as we know that this Rumli stream is too much rich in terms of diversity, that's maybe flora, fauna or microorganisms, so we should conserve this wetland. We can also use this for aesthetic purpose, but we shouldn't harm anything there, and also shouldn't pollute this. Thank you everyone here for your time, watching and listening to this short documentary.